Hi, everybody. Today I'm going to talk about the power of celebrations. Yes, we all celebrate occasions with friends and family back at home because that's how we feel connected, we feel close to each other's heart. Isn't it like that? Same way, I'm going to talk about celebrations for engagement that leads to brand growth. Yes, today's brand growth idea is about celebration and engagement. When a brand engages and decides to celebrate events, moments, days, milestones, it engages the employees at times it engages the customer. In both the ways, it leads to very, very powerful engagement because that involves humans. And that is a very powerful and proven way to humanize your brand. Why a brand must celebrate and find out of their social media calendar the days, the events, the moments that they must be celebrating during the year. It could be your anniversary, the brand anniversary. It could be the events, the festivals, and it can also be the thematic events because thematic events usually are so much into the air that they lead to evoke feelings. They are emotive in nature and they make the customers think, and that's how it leads to recall. For example, recently we all saw a lot of engagement happening on social media around Women's Day. The MG Hector Motor Company ran a beautiful campaign which was all about women just don't know cars, wherein they talked about gender equality and also underlined the fact that they have 51% of the workforce who are women. So that's the power of celebration, engagement, and giving a strong message to the audience out there. When you are actually capturing the nerve of the customer with a celebration which is very much in and around on the mind, you are also capturing the algorithms and hashtags around that celebration. So that is also a powerful tool to create engagement. Another good example of this Women's Day only, Prega News talked about a very sensitive topic, rather, I would say, which is about infertility. And it was a very beautiful story carved through some short film. And the message was their hashtag campaign also around Women's Day, which was She is Complete in Herself. The idea here is not just, they are not talking about the product at all. It is actually something where the product cannot really help their audiences, but they are underlining the fact that how the brand is involved and how it cares for a cause, it feels for the cause. And there, through those celebrations and events and the engagement and the campaigns, so it is not just one video, they followed it like a campaign, curated a lot of content around it. They were there in the news, they were captured by the PR agencies, ad agencies, as well as whoever in the WW world could resonate with the campaign felt for the brand, and it led to a great recall. So when you celebrate moments and events, you actually engage with the audiences. And that is a trick you must follow. How you can do it? You can do it through a number of ways. Create experiences for your customers, invite them to be a part of contest, help them, ask for help and ask them to give you ideas on how the brand can really engage with the audiences at large. Run campaigns which are more around the user generated content. Let them be a part of your brand story. Allow them to have their say and include it in your brand campaigns, right? Then you can also create, beautiful string of events and video campaigns wherein your customer is the hero. Let them talk it out, take the message strong, take a cause and build your story around it with all your brand stakeholders. It could be the employees, it could be the clients. This Women's Day, we also decided to underline a message which says that why just celebrate women on one single day? Why not celebrate them every day? And that was the theme of what we wanted to share, considering the fact that we have been working with some amazing women outside and inside every day. So we do not believe in celebrating them on one day a year, but we celebrate them every day. So we created a strong message around the same thing, that you are a product of your choices, and the choice is to celebrate oneself every day. And we created the engagement by creating a video which features all the women who are involved in my agency 30th Feb, whether it is the in-house team of women who are a part of us right from the beginning, who have been a part of us right for last 11 years, as well as the women, the exceptionally good women, whether they were into their job roles or the entrepreneurs or the C-suite executives. We featured them all because we believe that whatever we are today, everybody has contributed in some way or the other. So we created the campaign around it. We flashed the campaign before the Women's Day because the idea we were taking ahead was like we celebrate them every day. So we did not wait for the video to be aired on March 8th. Rather, we just launched it almost a week before the previous week of Women's Day. And we also curated content around it, wherein we shared the story of these exceptional women and how they have touched our lives. We briefly mentioned about each one of them and how they inspire us, and they inspire the everyday life of a woman who believes in their choices and who took charge, and they are celebrating themselves and their life every day. So the idea was to create a connect with the women who have been a part of us but not connected to us right now. So we reached out to all of them. We shared their story. We told them that we are featuring you, and all of them welcomed the idea. Plus, it also led to a very good engagement on different social spaces of ours, whether it is the YouTube video channel or it is the LinkedIn campaign. People could resonate with it because a lot of them agree to the very idea. And I'm sure you all have noticed that there was a lot of hue and cry around social media, because that is one place where we talk about the positives and negatives of everything we do. So the people were actually talking about brands and, talking about brands making noise and fuss about the Women's Day and being forgetful about the causes, in a week or so. So that is a alarming thing, which as a brand strategist, I must tell you, as a brand, you need to celebrate and engagement as per your calendar. You need to have a plan. Do not take this growth idea as a one time thing, because there you get noticed, you get talked about when you do not stick around and follow what you preach. So if you are taking up a cause, if you are celebrating an engagement, make sure you are authentic, transparent, and you are not just creating stories. When we did the campaign, it involved real time stories. It had the permissions, the stories, the engagement from the people who actually have lived that life, right? And we do it all the time. I remember even 10 years ago we had a contest on Women's Day, right? So when you, as a brand, when you're associating yourself with something, make sure that you are associating with them for a really long time. One time things get caught and affect the brand adversely. So right now, I would say take out the pen and paper, take out the days, the events, the festivals wherein you would like to really, really celebrate with your team or with your clients. make a note and plan it out that how as a brand you can celebrate such special days to spark engagement for your brand. I will be back with more brand growth ideas. Until then, happy branding.